Hi guys, today I am going to tell you the procedure to register on the Mathandani app. So, once you click on the app icon, the app will open and you will see the screen like this. Now, you need to click on the register button and a new screen will appear with the registration form like this. Now, you need to fill the form with all necessary and correct details. So, let us start. Enter your first name. Like, you can enter your name, whatever your name is, like this, Pari. Last name, like Sharma. And then enter a valid email address, like parisharma14 @gmail.com. After this, you have to enter mobile number like 89508 Now, enter a valid password and password must be 6-digit long like Pari14. Now, re-enter the password just to confirm. Now, enter your DOB. Now, here you in this field enter physical address like 1 to 4 industrial area. If you know your branch name, just fill it. Otherwise, just skip this field. Now, enter your province here. You can enter Eastern Cape. Now, if you have Induna, just click on yes and enter Induna name. Otherwise, just click no and proceed further. Now, enter the amount or rands you spent on airtime or data, like 50. Now, in the next field, you have to enter favorite song by Mathandani, like Goma Goma. Now, select either you prefer physical CDs or digital music. You can select any one of the one. If you have Mathandani SIM card, select either would you like to order a new one. If you have, then enter the SIM card number here. Or if you don't have, then click no. Now, would you like to order a new one? If you want to order, you can click yes, and if you don't want to order, you can click no. Now, do you know someone who will like this app? If you know someone who will like this app, select yes and enter the name and the mobile number here of that person. If you don't know someone who like this app, you can simply click no. Once you fill all the form, just click on register button here and it's done. Once you registered successfully, you will be redirected to the home screen of Mathandani apps. Enjoy!